Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to change the Salesforce users language. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to click on the setup, then search for users. So here is my user list. So I want to change the user language for charter expert user. So open that user detail page, and here you can see the edit button, as well as here you can see the user language here. So click on edit button, then scroll down below. Here you can see all the languages. So I want to make the German, so I will make it German, and then I will click save. So here language gets changed to German. Okay. So when you log into this user, so you will able to see the all the Salesforce UI language gets changed. So this field is used for the user language. Thanks.